Close your eyes for a moment. Picture the perfect shot, the one that stops time, the one that whispers stories, captures the raw essence of a moment, or reveals a detail so fine it feels like magic. Now open them and ask yourself, what if that perfect shot wasn't just a dream? What if it was, in fact, within your grasp every single time you press the shutter? For years, photographers chased the dragon, the ultimate tool, the one camera that could truly do it all, a chameleon in a world of specialized instruments. And then, something extraordinary happened. A beast was unleashed, a digital heart, forged with ambition, designed not just to capture light, but to redefine what was possible. It wasn't just a camera, it was a statement, a promise. And that promise, even today, years later, continues to echo through the halls of photographic history. We're talking, of course, about the Nikon D850. Now, before you click away, before you dismiss this as another review of an old camera, I need you to pause. Because what you're about to hear isn't just about megapixels or autofocus points. This is about legacy. This is about raw, untamed power. And this is about why, in an age of mirrorless marvels and technological leaps, the D850 isn't just surviving. It's thriving. It's not just relevant. It's an absolute force of nature. Think about it. How many pieces of technology, after half a decade, still command the respect, the desire, the awe that the D850 does? Very few. And there's a profound reason for that. A reason you might not have considered. A secret sauce, if you will, that makes this particular camera a timeless masterpiece. Today, we're not just looking at a spec sheet. We're dissecting a legend. We're uncovering the very soul of a camera that refuses to be outdated. We're going to dive deep into why the D850 still reigns supreme for so many professionals and enthusiasts alike, and why dismissing it in 2024 or even 2025 would be one of the biggest mistakes a photographer could make. What makes a camera truly great? Is it the number on its sensor? The speed of its bursts? Or is it something more intangible? The feeling it gives you? The confidence it instills? The sheer joy of creating without compromise? The D850 delivers on all fronts, but in a way that few cameras ever have. Let's start with the heart of the beast. That incredible 45.7 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. Now, some might say megapixels aren't everything, and they'd be right. But when those megapixels are combined with this level of engineering, they become a superpower. Imagine cropping into a landscape shot or a wildlife photo and discovering details you didn't even realize you captured. The texture of a bird's feather, the subtle glint in an animal's eye, the intricate patterns on a distant mountain range. It's not just resolution. It's an invitation to explore your images, to find new stories within them. This isn't just about printing massive. This is about flexibility. It's about freedom in post-production. It's about saving a shot you thought was lost, simply because the D850 captured so much information. But raw resolution without dynamic range is like a sports car with no fuel. And here's where the D850 truly separates itself. This camera, even after all these years, boasts some of the most impressive dynamic range you can find. What does that mean for you? It means pulling incredible detail from the deepest shadows and the brightest highlights in a single frame. It means sunsets that retain the subtle gradients of the sky without blowing out the sun. It means portraits where the subject is perfectly exposed, but you still see the intricate details in the dark background or the subtle textures in a bright white dress. It's like having an invisible assistant that perfectly balances every single pixel, allowing you to capture scenes that other cameras simply can't handle without compromise. This isn't just a feature, it's creative liberation. It's the ability to truly see and capture the world as your eyes perceive it, not as a camera limits it. Now let's talk speed, because a beast needs to be fast. The D850 isn't just a studio darling. It's a predator in the wild. With 7 frames per second at full resolution, or 9 frames per second with the optional battery grip, this camera can keep up with almost anything you throw at it. Wildlife photographers, sports shooters, photojournalists, they rely on this speed. That fleet-in, G moment, that decisive action, that blink and you miss it expression The D850 doesn't just catch it, it devours it. And it does so while maintaining that incredible 45.7 megapixel fidelity. You're not sacrificing detail for speed. You're getting both in spades. And its buffer? It's deep enough to ensure you capture the entire sequence, not just a burst and then a frustrating wait. This isn't just about quantity. It's about ensuring you never miss the quality in that crucial moment. But what about focus? What good is speed if you can't lock onto your subject? The D850 inherited the legendary 153-point multi-cm 20K autofocus system from Nikon's flagship D5. This isn't just an autofocus system. It's a sniper rifle. It's fast, it's accurate, and it works in incredibly challenging low-light conditions. Tracking a bird in flight against a busy background? No problem. Locking onto a dancer in a dimly lit stage? It laughs at the challenge. This system is designed for professional demands, for situations where a missed focus means a lost opportunity, a ruined shoot. It's the silent guardian ensuring that your D850 always nails the shot, giving you the peace of mind to focus purely on composition and storytelling. And the build quality? Pick up a D850. Feel the magnesium alloy body. It's not just solid. It feels like an extension of your hand. Weather sealing means you can take it into the dust, the rain, the cold, the heat. This camera is built like a tank, designed to withstand the rigors of professional use, day in and day out. It's a tool that inspires confidence, not fragility. It's the kind of camera you trust to perform, no matter what environment you find yourself in. This isn't just about durability. It's about reliability. It's about knowing your gear won't let you down when it matters most. Now, let's talk about a feature often overlooked, but critically important for any creative, the viewfinder. The D850 boasts one of the largest and brightest optical viewfinders in the DSLR world. A 0.75x magnification that offers a clear, unobstructed, and truly immersive view of your scene. No lag, no digital interference, just pure, unadulterated light passing through the lens. For many, this is still a superior way to compose and connect with your subject, especially in fast-paced or tricky lighting conditions. It's a photographer's window to the soul of the scene, and the D850 offers one of the best. But here's where the D850 really starts to differentiate itself, even from newer cameras. Its unique feature set. Consider the in-camera focus shift shooting mode. For product photographers, macro enthusiasts, or landscape shooters who demand absolute edge-to-edge sharpness, this is a game changer. The camera automatically takes a series of shots at slightly different focus points, which you can then stack in post-production for an image with incredible, impossible depth of field. It takes hours of meticulous manual work and automates it flawlessly. This isn't just a feature. It's a cheat code for unparalleled sharpness. And then there's the silence. For events, wildlife, or sensitive situations, the silent shooting mode is invaluable. Imagine capturing those crucial, intimate moments without the distracting click of a mirror or shutter. It's stealth. It's unobtrusive. It allows you to become a ghost in the scene, capturing genuine emotions without intrusion. This isn't just about noise reduction. It's about ethical photography, about respecting the moment and your subjects. Let's address the elephant in the room, mirrorless. Yes, mirrorless cameras are incredible. They're the future in many ways. But the D850 isn't trying to be mirrorless. It is the pinnacle of the DSLR. And that distinction matters. For many, the muscle memory, the tactile controls, the long battery life, the sheer robustness of a DSLR still hold an irresistible appeal. The D850 is a mature system with an unparalleled ecosystem of f-mount lenses that have been honed and perfected over decades. You're not buying into a new system. You're tapping into a legacy of optical excellence that spans generations. The battery life alone is a significant factor. While mirrorless cameras often struggle to get through a full day of heavy shooting, the D850, with its Yin EL15A/B battery, can comfortably give you well over 1,000 shots on a single charge. Add the optional battery grip, and you're talking about endurance that few modern cameras can match. FO. Our remote shoots, travel photographers, or anyone who can't constantly recharge, this isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the freedom to focus on your craft, not on finding the next power outlet. But perhaps the most compelling argument for the D850 today is something rarely discussed: its incredible value. As newer mirrorless bodies arrive, the D850's price on the used market has become genuinely compelling. You're getting a professional-grade, flagship-level camera for a fraction of its original cost. This isn't just a smart financial decision. It's access to world-class imaging technology that would otherwise be out of reach for many. It's democratizing excellence. Who is the D850 for even now? It's for the landscape photographer who demands insane resolution and dynamic range. It's for the portrait artist who craves pristine skin tones and exquisite detail. It's for the wildlife and sports shooter who needs speed, accuracy, and unwavering reliability. It's for the videographer who appreciates its high-quality 4K footage and flat profile for grading. And critically, it's for anyone who respects a truly refined tool, a camera that doesn't chase trends but sets its own standard of excellence. The D850 isn't just a camera you buy. It's a camera you invest in. It's a companion that will push your creative boundaries, challenge your perceptions of what's possible, and consistently deliver results that will astound you. It's the kind of camera that makes you fall in love with photography all over again. So, if you've been on the fence, if you've been swayed by the latest hype, I urge you to reconsider. Look beyond the mirrorless versus DSLR debate for a moment. Look at the sheer, unadulterated power, versatility, and enduring quality of the Nikon D850. This isn't just a great camera, it's a legendary camera. A camera that, even today, stands tall as a testament to engineering brilliance. It's not just worth the hype, it defines the hype. It's a beast, it's a workhorse, and in the right hands, it's nothing short of pure magic. And that, my friends, is why the Nikon D850 is not just still relevant. It's still, unequivocally, one of the best cameras money can buy.